having one bolt we need to remove. Let me find the right one. Yes, this is the right one. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I think the blade is dull now. I think a lot of hits from some stone or something, so it's not sharp now. So next we need to sharp this blade. We have an angle grinder to do the sharpening, and I'm going to use this vise to hold the blade. Okay. Okay, so let's have the eye protection. Okay, so I'll do the other side also. As much as possible it will be clean, that one. So now we can fix it back. So this one. Avoid the rust. Then this one. So because the blade is now very sharp. Okay. If you don't have the angle grinder, don't worry, you can use the file also. Follow the existing angle of the blade, holding your file or any other sharpening tool about the 45-degree angle. Move the file in one direction, gliding out towards the edge. It's the same as you sharpen your kitchen knife. After you've done the sharpening, it's better to check the balance. To check the balance, you can use the method as shown in the picture, or other ways you can pound a nail on your garage wall and press the blade center on the nail. If the blade isn't balanced, to file a little more metal from the heavier side until it balances.